सर्वेभ्यो स्वागतम सुस्वागतम. Welcome back to my channel, The Voice of Sanskrit in Ayurveda. In this video, I am going to explain Varnotpatti Sthanani, that is, place of origin of Varnas. Varna means Akshara. Place of origin of Varnas. Some letters pronounced with the help of nose. Some letters pronounced with the help of throat. Same way, lips, talubhaga, palate, jihva moola, that is root of the tongue, etc. etc. Each and everything I will be going to explain in detail. Before that, once again, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it, like it, comment it, press bell icon. Varnotpatti Sthanani, place of origin of Varnas. मूर्धा दंतोष्ठम युह्वामूलम उपध्मानीयः ओष्ठौ नासिका कंठोष्ठम तालु कंठतालु कंठ दंत etc. etc. वर्णोत्पत्ति स्थानास आर आकूह विसर्जनीयानां कंठः यिचु यशानां तालु ऋतु रसानां मूर्धा लृतु लसानां दन्ताः उपूपध्मानीयानां ओष्ठौ ञमगणनानां नासिका च येदैतोः कंठतालु ओदौतोः कंठोष्ठम् वकारस्य दन्तोष्ठम् जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूलम् नासिका अनुस्वारस्य क ख इति कथाभ्यां प्राग अर्थ विसर्ग सदृशो जिह्वामूलीयः प फ इति पफाभ्यां प्राग अर्थ विसर्ग सदृशो उपध्मानीयः अम अह इति आचः परौ अनुस्वार visargau. Once again, I am reading. Once again, reading faster. Akuha visarjaniyanam kantaha, yichu yashanam dalu, ruturashanam murtha, lrudunasanam dantaha, upupadmaniyanam oshtau, nyamangananam nasikacha, येदैतोः कंठतालु ओदौतोः कंठोष्ठम् वकारस्य दन्तोष्ठम् जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूलम् नासिकानुस्वारस्य क ख इति कथाभ्यां प्राक् अर्थविसर्गसदृशो जिह्वामूलीयः प फ इति पफाभ्यां प्राक् अर्थविसर्गसदृशो उपध्मानीयः अम अह इति अचः परौ अनुस्वार विसर्गौ. I will be explaining one by one. First one, akuha visarjaniyanam kantaha. See, which are the letters coming under pronounced or varnotpatti sthana of kantha? That is akara. Ku means ka, kha, ga, gha. Nga. Ku means kavarga we have to take. Hakara and visarga. Visarga means these two dots. You have to write visarga. Okay, 2 dot Ramaha. When you are writing, you have to put these 2 dot. It is called as visarga. Aha. That also pronounced with the help of kantha. So, akara, kavarga. That is kakagagana, hakara and visarga. The varnotpatti sthana of these letters are kantha. That is throat. Then second one, yichu yashana talo. In that, talo is palate. Palate. Yikara, chu means cha-cha-ja-chanya, yakara and shakara. The varnotpatti sthana or place of origin of these letters are talo, that is palate. Yikara, chavarga, that is cha-cha-ja-chanya, yakara and shakara. Varnotpatti sthanas are talo. Coming to the next, Rutu Rashanam Murdha. Murdha, head, middle of the head, cerebrum. With the help of that, Rikara. 2 means Tavarga, that is Tata Dhana. Repha, not Rakara. Repha. Then Shakara. These letters pronounced with the help of Murdha. Murdha part. Okay. Rakara. 2 means Tatadadana. Repha and Shakara. The varnotpatti sthana of these is Murdha. Coming to the next. Rutulasanam dantaha. Danta, teeth. Which are the letters pronounced with the help of teeth? That is told that Lrikara. 2 means Tatadhana, Lakara and Sakara. Okay, Nakara is not coming, already it is Tatadhana, it is coming. Okay, Lrikara, Tatadhana, Lakara and Sakara. The varnotpatti sthana of these letters are Danta, that is Dantaha, that is teeth. Coming to the next, Upu Padmaniyanam Oshtau. How to split? How to split? Upadmaniyanam. U means Ukara. Pu means Pavarga. That is Pa, Pha, Ba, Bha, Ma. Plus Upadmaniya letters. Upadmaniya letters means, see this Ardha Chandrakriti symbol before Pa and Pha is called Upadmaniya. Pa and Pha letters are called Upadmaniya letters. Only without this symbol it is not regarded as Upadmaniya letters. Before Pa and Pha, this Ardha Chandrakriti symbol is considered as Upadmaniya letters. The varnotpatti sthana of these is Oshtau. Oshtha means lips. Oshtau, 2 lips also. Okay, once again, Ukara. Pu means Pavarga, Pa, Pha, Ba, Bha, Ma plus Upadmaniya letters, that is these 2. The varnotpatti sthana of these letters are Oshtau. Coming to the next. Nyamangananam Nasika Cha. Nasika, nose. Nasika means nose. You know, some letters pronounced with the help of nose. Mouth and nose, that is sutra. Which sutra? Panini sutra. Mukhanasika vachane anunasikaha. Anunasika letters means that which is pronounced with the help of mouth and nose. So, nya, ma, nga, na and na. Nyakara, makara, ngakara, nakara and nakara. These letters are considered as anunasika letters. Anunasika, pronounced with the help of nose. Mukhanasika vachane anunasika, already told. Okay, nyakara, makara, ngakara, nakara and nakara. The place of origin of varnas, nasika, that is nose. Coming to the next. Yedaitoho kanthatalo. See, it is very clear in that edai, ekara and aikara. See, clearly observe how to write the aikara in Sanskrita. Yedaitoho kanthatalo. Edai, two letters we have to take, ekara and aikara. The varnotpatti sthana of ekara and aikara, kantha and talo. Kantha, talu bhaga, throat and palate. Yedaitoho kanthatalo. Ekara and aikara. Okay, kantha and talu, throat and palate. Throat and palate. Coming to the next. Odautoho kanthostham. So, kantha plus oshta. Odautoho. See, in these two letters we have to take okara and aukara. Okara and aukara. The varnotpatti sthana of okara and aukara is kantha plus oshta. Throat plus lips. Okay. Okara and aukara, the varnotpatti sthana of these two letters, kantha and oshta. Kantha throat, oshta lips. Coming to the next, vakarasya dantoshtam. Single letter vakara, va, letter va. The varnotpatti sthana of va, vakara, is danta plus oshta. Danta means teeth, oshta means lips. Va. Okay, vakarasya dantoshtam. Coming to the next, jihvamuliyasya jihvamulam. Jihvamuliya letters. Jihva means tongue, you know. Jihva means tongue. Jihvamula means root of the tongue. What it is told that jihvamuliyasya jihvamulam. Jihvamuliya letters. That is, once again, ka and kha. Before that, Ardha Chandrakriti symbol, ka and kha. These two letters are called as jihvamuliya letters. That which the varnotpatti sthana of jihvamuliya letters are root of the tongue. That is explained. Jihvamuliyasya jihvamulam. Coming to the next, nasika anuswarasya. See, anuswara. What do you mean by anuswara? Above the akara, one dot. This dot is called as anuswara. How to pronounce? Ramam.
Krishnam, Anuswara. Okay, to pronounce Anuswara letters, Varnotpatti sthana of Anuswara, Nasika, that is nose. Without the help of nose, you may not pronounce Okay, coming to the next. Ka, kha, iti kakhabhyam prag ardha visarga sadrisho juhvamuliyaha. Already I told juhvamuliya letters means before the ka and kha. Ardha chandrakriti symbol, these letters are called juhvamuliya letters. Same way, pa, pa, iti papabhyam prag ardha visarga sadrisho upadmaniyaha. Same way, before the pa and pa, ardha chandrakriti symbol is called as upadmaniyaha. Pa and pa, ardha chandrakriti upadmaniyaha. Ka and kha, ardha chandrakriti symbol juhvamuliyaha. Then last one, aha iti achaha parau anuswara visargau. Aha iti achaha parau anuswara visargau. Is called as anuswara. Aha is called as visarga. Anuswara above the akara, this dot is called as anuswara. Aha means this visarga. How to visarga means two dots in front of the akshara. Two dots is called visarga. Okay, Ramaha, Krishnaha. Okay, this and aha visarga. Is called as anuswara and aha is called as visarga. Aha iti achaha parau anuswara visargau. Okay, once again repeating full. Akuha visarjaniyanam kantha ichu yashanam talu ruturashanam murtha lrutulasanam dantaha upupadmaniyanam oshtau nyamanganananam nasikacha yedaitoho kanthatalu odautoho kanthostham vakarasya dantoshtam juhvamuliyasya juhvamulam nasika anuswarasya ka kha iti kakhabhyam prag ardha visarga sadrisho juhvamuliyah. Pa pa iti papabhyam prag ardha visarga sadrisho upadmaniyah. Aha iti achaha parau anuswara visargau. Once again, all of you close your eyes, hear properly. You should pronounce it without mistake. If you hear properly, 100% sure that easily you can by heart. Once again, close your eyes. I will be reading. Akuha visarjaniyanam kantha ichu yashanam talu ruturashanam murtha lrutulasanam dantaha upupadmaniyanam oshtau nyamanganananam nasikacha yedaitoho kanthatalu odautoho kanthostham vakarasya dantoshtham jihvamuliyasya jihvamulam nasika anuswarasya kha kha iti kakhabhyam prag ardha visarga sadrisho jihvamuliyah. Pa pa iti papabhyam prag ardha visarga sadrisho upadmaniyah. Aha iti achaha parau anuswara visargau. All of you open your eyes. I hope it is very clear to you regarding the varnotpatti sthanani. Each and everyone may not forget ever varnotpatti sthanani, that which is present in Samnya Prakarana of Panini Ashtadhyayi. Once again, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it, like it, comment it, press bell icon. Jayatu Samskrita Bhasha.